4 most used formulas in Microsoft Excel. So this spreadsheet here illustrates a yearly sales report by a particular firm. Now this spreadsheet here has a sales that is grouped into 4 different quarters, with the first quarter being all the items that were sold in the first 3 months, second quarter being from 3 to 6 months, third quarter from 6 to 9 months, and then the last quarter from 9 to the 12 months, which is up to 1 year. So we're going to be using this spreadsheet here to first of all check the total item that we sold in 1 year, and that will help us to get the total amount of money we made by selling the items. Alright, then at the end of the day, we'll also check the total item that we sold in each of the individual quarters. We're going to check the maximum item that we sold, the minimum item sold, and the average of the items that we sold. So let's get started. So first of all, for us to get the total items that we sold for the year, we're going to come over to this first quarter here and then select it through the fourth quarter, and then come over to this empty space that we want to get our answer, and then click on this formula and come over here and click on sum. Sum now will add up everything and show us that the total item we sold for this original coffee in the 1 year is 9,366. Alright, so we use the autofill function here to drag it down, and then this is the total item that we sold for a year. Then the second function we're going to be working here right now is that we're going to be checking out for the total sales that we made. Alright, so for us to do this, all we're just going to be doing is that we're going to multiply this price with the total item that we sold. Alright, so for us to use the multiplication function, we'll just come over here and click on the equality sign, come here and select the price, and then type your multiplication symbol here, and then select the cell you're multiplying it with, which is this one, and then click on enter. So that means that in the year, original coffee sold $16,390.5. Alright, so you click on this thing and drop it down, and then it will show you the total sales for all the products. Alright, so now over here we want to check the total item that was sold in each of the quarters. Alright, so I'll come over here and select everything and select the last cell, which is where I want to get my answer here. Then I'll make sure that I hit on the formulas and then come over here and click on the drop down. I'm clicking on sum because I'm adding up everything. So this is the total item that we sold for the first quarter. Alright, so when I use the autofill function here, it will show us for all other quarters. So the next one we're going to be checking here is the average product that we sold for each of the quarters. Alright, so here right now we're going to be using the average function. So we'll start by writing the equality sign, and then when we type the equality sign, we'll just type average. So you just have to click on this average so that it will open up the bracket for you. Then you select what you want to find the average. So I want to find the average of all the product that we sold within the first quarters. Then make sure you close the bracket and then hit on enter. So this is the average of all the items that we sold in the first quarter. So to get for all other quarters, you use the autofill function for it. Then the third formula we'll be working on in this row is that we want to check the minimum item that we sold for each of the quarters. Now if you come over here, the first quarter here, you see that the least item we sold for this quarter is 2,236, and the next one is the next one higher than it is 2,251. Okay, so for us to get the minimum items sold in this first quarter, so we'll come over and type equality sign and type on the main, then click on this to select the main and open a bracket, and then select all the cells involved. Make sure you close your bracket and then hit on enter. So this is the minimum amount of item that we sold within this year. So when you come over here and just use your autofill function, you will get for other years like this. Alright, so now the last formula we'll be working with today is the maximum item that was sold within each of these quarters. So it's just the opposite of main. Just have to type equality sign max, open the bracket, or you just click on this place and then select all the items involved. Make sure you close the bracket and then hit on enter. That will show you that 7,412 is the highest item that we sold for this first quarter. And when you click and drag it to this end like this, it will show you the highest item that we sold for each of the quarters. Thank you for watching this video. I hope to see you in the next video.